foodies, this is Chef Pete and I'm back with healthier burger alternatives today. And one of them that I like to do around our kitchen, the Carpizzo's kitchen, is ground turkey. Okay, it's less saturated fat than ground beef as long as you're getting the 93.7. And today I want to make it because the air fryer is so versatile that I like to use the air fryer even for the burgers. Okay, because it makes a versatile burger that cooks quickly. But here's the problem with turkey. You need to keep putting things in it to make it juicy. Just like if we use ground chicken, ground turkey is the same exact thing. Okay, so in this bowl I have about 1/8 of a cup of some Italian crumbs. I have some beautiful roasted red peppers that I diced up and chopped really thin because we need some juiciness inside these turkey burgers we're making, right? Salt and pepper, a little parsley, some oregano, right? And then over here I have 1 teaspoon because I'm only making 2. If you're making more than 2, and then increase your quantities. Okay, so I have 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1 good chopped garlic. Okay, a nice minced garlic, and then also I got some onion and I put it in the grater and I've got it underneath on the bottom here. So I'm going to put all of these things together in this bowl and mix them all up nice, make us a couple of patties, and as always, get them on our air fry pan, whichever pan you use for your air fryer. So, you know, the air fryer does make healthy ingredients easier and quicker to eat because it does not require you to fry anything. The air is doing it in there. It's, you know, high volume fan air at high temperatures, cooks quickly with the least amount of fat. And remember, there is saturated fat in this, but it's less than there would be if we were using ground chuck or ground lamb. I mean, you can use this whatever you like, even ground chicken, which would be, the ground chicken would be the most least amount of fat. Okay? All right, so there we have it. So today, for our menu, watch the shorts. You're watching everything we have. Google me, and remember, if you need anything special cooked, let me know. Just like today, somebody asked me in the email here, they asked me to do something with ground turkey, because I'm always doing different kinds of chickens and different kinds of fishes and different kinds of beef meat, like brisket. And so that's why today I'm going to make this for Lisa from San Diego. She requested that I make this particular dish in the air fryer. Okay, so there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's, as always, wishing you all the best, and thanks for subscribing and following us and sharing. We love you all. This is Pete, out.